In this video, I will show you how to replace the tiny wheels on a Dyson DC39 floor nozzle or a cleaner head. So there are 4 of them on the bottom of the unit, and they pop off easily with a screwdriver. If your wheels already popped off, then just the little covers remain. Just pop them off slowly. Be careful, sometimes they pop really out and may fall to the floor. And we'll fast forward through removing all 4 of them. The purpose of these wheels is so that your floor nozzle can glide over tiled or hardwood floors without getting stuck by the suction of the vacuum. And if yours is getting stuck to the floor, it's time to check and replace them for sure. And if your unit is like mine and there's 1 wheel left, you will need some sharper object to pop that off. But it should pop off easily as well. And I purchased my replacement wheels from easyvacuum.com, easyvacuum.com. It came within a couple of days, 3-4 days, and it's a small little envelope. They are listed as genuine Dyson replacement parts, and the description of the item is actually genuine Dyson DC39 bottom plate wheel assembly. And the part number from this website is 923830-02. And there's a little bit of if you can zoom in your video, you can see this. The package comes with 4 replacement wheels. It's 1 wheel, 2 end caps, and 1 metal rod per set. So to put it together, you stick the small metal rod, thread it through the wheel, and then insert 1 end of each of the caps to the left and to the right. It's like so. And then gently place it on top of the location where it belongs, the little empty holes that you just popped off. Yeah, let's zoom in a little bit here. So the easy way I found that is you gently place at that location, but don't press one only. Make sure both are slightly in, just sitting on top, and then press both simultaneously. And it's just a little click in place, just like that. Now repeat the same process for all remaining 3 units. And we'll fast forward here. And that is it. You're done. I would keep those extra caps that you took off from the broken pieces, just in case one of them pops off on your vacuum. It's always good to have little pieces like that. And my kit came with 1 extra metal rod, so I'll keep that as well. Yeah, these little pieces are very difficult to find if it pops off your vacuum. Most likely will be sucked in by the vacuum anyway, and you'll never find them again. And that's how they look. And you can check each individual wheel, make sure they are freely spinning. So it goes back to the purpose of replacing them is when you vacuum on a hard surface, whether it's tile or hardwood floors, your vacuum was getting stuck to the floor. At least mine was getting stuck to the floor. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.